G'day, g'day, g'day. Well, we just finished the fence. Pauline and I have been working on this fence this morning, and praise God, we just finished. Hallelujah.
It's a good feeling.
Good feeling. And if you're blessed to have a wife like I got, she's been a great helper. We've built houses, we've done renovations, we've done a lot of gardening projects, and now we're just 75 years of age and we're still building. Just built a fence because the other one had rotten and fallen away. So the scripture I want to refer to today comes from Ecclesiastes 4 verse 9, which says, "Two are better than one, because they have a good return for their labour. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls down and has no one to help them up." Hallelujah. It's a great thing to have a beautiful wife and have a partnership to go through your life with. Husbands, it says in Ephesians 6, it says, "Husbands, love your wife like Christ loved the church." And I love my wife like Christ loved the church. I would die for her. And no doubt she would for me too. So we've been blessed. Now we've got a fence. So you'll see her working there on the nail gun, and amazing. Tradie at 75. Hallelujah.
And you can do it too.
You can do it too if you're well enough and God blesses you with a partner. See you later. Have a great day. Get into the Word, and let the Word get into you. And then
you can share it with somebody else.
Go and share it with others. See you later.
Bye.